We're at the AWFS Fair, one of the largest woodworking tool conventions in North America. Let's go. If you'd like to see any of these tools I featured today, I'm gonna link those in the description and the pinned comment. We're here with Jeffrey, Oneida. How you doing, man?
Doing well, you?
Good. Tell us what you got.
We cater small to mid-sized woodworking shops mostly, so we build stuff from, could be used in a small garage, basement shop, single person operation, up to what we call a mid-sized shop, might be 10 or 12 guys in a cabinet shop. 15 or 20 horsepower is our big stuff, which we don't have here, obviously.
This one caught my eye.
Yeah, this is one of our most popular units lately. This is our Supercell dust collector. We make it in a few different flavors, drum size, mounting configuration. This is a portable with a 14-gallon, but we also make these like with a wall mount bracket. You can put it up a little higher, larger drums for the more volume-conscious woodworker. But this is an all-in-one unit. It's got a filter that's built inside, HEPA filtration. It's also got a pulse cleaning feature, so you don't have to take that filter out to clean it. You can shock the filter, kind of back flush the filter while it's in place. So it's really handy. All of your dust is going to end up in the bin, including that fine dust, because as that filter pulses, it all falls down into the same bin. So really low maintenance, but this thing is brutal for suction. It has actually like multiple motors inside of it, high static pressure. And so it's really great at pulling through long lengths of hose, small diameter ports. I mean, we've got 100 feet of hose here stacked up, and you've got incredible suction. So it's going to feel a lot more like a wet, dry vacuum kind of suction versus a traditional dust collector. And then to clean it, you close that front gate, and I can pulse the filter clean while it's running. So if you get in a habit, every time you're done working, you come over, you pulse it a few times, you turn it off. That's your filter maintenance on something like this. So that's our Supercell. Again, we make a couple different flavors of it. We make a turbo Supercell that has one extra motor, so if you need even a little more suction pressure. Same footprint, but a little more pressure still.
You also have cyclone separators, stuff like that?
Yeah, we do the Dust Deputy, which you see some of them up there. We make a lot of different versions of that Dust Deputy. It's one of our most popular products. Whether we do a retrofit to an existing vacuum, or we're starting to build some vacuums that are integrated ourselves. So this is an all-in-one unit with motor, filter, Dust Deputy in one package.
HEPA filter?
HEPA filter, yeah. It's really like a clean stream filter, so it's still a wet dry vac style filter with HEPA filtration. So this is a 5 horsepower Smart Boost Gorilla system, kind of a small mid-size of our line. This might be a little more serious woodworker that's full-size equipment, wants to run central ductwork in their shop, maybe runs 1 or 2 tools at a time. We make these that are 3 to 20 horsepower that are kind of scale versions of the same idea, cyclone and then second stage filtration.
What's the Smart Boost mean?
Smart Boost is our technology where the collector is automatically going to sense kind of the load or the demand you're putting on it. And so it's going to change its behavior based on the port diameter that you're servicing. So if I've got a small router table, say with a 2 1/4, it's going to actually speed up and make more pressure to push more air through that hose. And if I switch to like a 20-inch planer with a 6-inch port, it's going to slow down and give me more volume. Does it all automatically. You can kind of be able to hear it as we change gates. So it's got a VFD that controls it, gives it a nice soft start feature. And
I can't even hear that.
Yeah.
It's quiet.
And so here I've got a 6-inch open. It's going to find its level. It's going to make really a lot of CFM at this point. But if I change now, and it's a little hard to hear in here, but you'll hear if I change from 6 to 4, it's going to speed up and make more pressure. Now it's going to make more static pressure to deliver more air through that smaller port. And if I go even smaller, like say it was like a hand sander or a portable sander, you hear it.
Yeah, you hear it ramping up.
More and more pressure as far as it can to give you the most performance possible.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And then it'll slow right back down. Now back down, more CFM.
Yeah.
So really what it's trying to do is like always give you the most performance it can, regardless of your ductwork, what size hose. It takes a lot of the ductwork design guesswork out because it'll compensate for maybe less than perfect ductwork design.
Yeah.
It does a lot for people. And they're really great for demanding tools like a small CNC router, job site saws.
So if somebody wanted to find out more about Oneida, where they go?
Our website, oneida-air.com. You can find us there. We do sell through some distribution channels. Some of our dust deputies are on Amazon or box stores, Woodcraft Supply. We're in Lowe's now for our low profile dust deputies. So easy to find.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
If you'd like to see more cool tools like you've seen in this video, click that box right there. Click in the box, get you the big old virtual fist bump.